Hello guys, welcome to my channel SK Kauda. So in today's tutorial, we are going to see how to take input from the user. So let us start the video. So as you might remember in the last video, we learned data types and variables as you can see. So if you haven't, check the link down in the description and Hello World program, creating our first program. Its link is also in the description, or you can view the playlist of Java programming in my channel. So let us just make a new class first. New, and there we go to the class section. And we'll just name this class user input. Let's just finish. And there, our class is ready. So let me do it. Yeah. So first of all, for taking user input, you need a scanner. So let us just write here scanner scan is equal to new scanner. So this is the scanner class. Now it is just throwing us an error. Just click this. Now we have to import java.util.scanner. So let's just import this and it will add it for you. And here in this you have to write system.in. That means system.input. So I want to take the user input as an integer. So integer input is equal to scan dot next integer. So I will add a statement system dot out dot println I just print your number is equal to plus input. Let me just run the program. It is running it. Yeah, now I have to input a number. Just a minute. 78. So your number is equal to 78. So I will just ask the user to enter the number. System.out.println please enter an number. Okay, so now it will tell us to enter a number. Let us just run the program and check. Yes, so now the system tells the user to enter number. So I'll just enter 15 and see your number is equal to 15. Now I'll just explain how this program works. So system.out.println please enter a number. This will tell us to enter a number. Then the scanner class which we have created. This is the class scanner and the name of that scanner is scan. Okay, and then integer input is a integer, data type integer, and variable name input. It's equal to scan dot next integer. That means whatever the user will input, it will be stored it will be stored as the input's value. So system.out.println your number is equal to, that means this is the text, and plus input, that means we'll add in front of that input's value, whatever it will be. It can be 0 or anything. So let us just create an addition program with that. So I'll just keep this here and please enter an another number to add with. Sorry, this is number. Let me just. So now you can see. Please enter another number to add with your previous number. So now again we have to take an input from the user. So I'll just try it. Integer second num is equal to scan dot next integer. Now I will tell you, you cannot take the same name input, it will throw you an error, okay, because it's the duplicate. You cannot do that. So now we have taken the both inputs. Now just let us show the answer. System answer, sorry, I have to put integer answer is equal to input minus second num. Okay, that means what input plus so answer is equal to input plus second num. So I just add a statement here. System dot out dot println your answer is equal to plus answer, like the previous one. Okay, so let us just run the program and see our result. Okay, let me just enter a number 5. Please enter another number to add with your previous number. Okay, 5. Your answer is equal to 10. So like this guys, we can create the calculator, and if you just do here minus and number to subtract. Okay, save and run. So it will just subtract now. I will show you one time. Okay. 10, 5, your answer is equal to 5. So guys, like this we have learned how to take input from user. In the next video, we will learn if else. So bye for now, and hope you like the video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. For now, bye guys.